Corunna House stands as a thoughtful evolution of a classic Californian bungalow, settled quietly within the verdant landscape of Sydney's Queen's Park. Designed by Studio Johnston, the project is a response to the shifting rhythms of a growing family, seeking to balance the weight of architectural heritage with the lightness required for modern living. By respecting the home's original character while introducing a contemporary vocabulary, the renovation feels less like an addition and more like a natural progression of the site's history. The narrative of the home begins well before reaching the front door. Because the original structure was sited unusually far back from the street, a generous front garden dominated by a mature fig tree serves as a lush, private buffer. This unique positioning dictated the intensity of the development, pushing the architects to utilize the outdoor space as a fundamental planning tool rather than a mere decorative fringe. It establishes a sense of arrival that is both grand and secluded, setting a tone of sanctuary that permeates the rest of the property. At the center of the design is the concept of the nexus, a fluid transition point where the historical and the contemporary meet. Studio Johnston avoided a harsh or jarring contrast between the eras, choosing instead a philosophy of grafting. By mirroring the brick and timber DNA of the original bungalow within the new extension, the architects achieved a seamless material continuity. This approach ensures that while the new sections are distinctly modern in form, they speak the same tactile language as the heritage structure. The internal layout is masterfully orchestrated around a series of interconnected courtyards. These voids act as lungs for the house, pulling natural light and fresh air into the deep floor plan. The original front portion of the home has been refreshed with a light touch, preserving its crisp heritage feel while housing the private sleeping quarters. As one moves deeper into the plan, the space unfurls around these outdoor pockets, which serve as pivoting points that navigate the shift from the traditional rooms to the expansive modern volumes. In the primary social hub at the rear, the architecture prioritizes a sense of generosity and openness. This area serves as the home's heart, designed to facilitate family connection through an open-plan kitchen and dining space that dissolves into the backyard. The inclusion of a green-roofed studio and a swimming pool at the property's edge ensures that every vantage point is met with greenery, further blurring the lines between the built environment and the natural world. The feeling of spaciousness within the home is a result of clever architectural hard work rather than sheer square footage. To maintain a serene and uncluttered atmosphere, the design utilizes integrated joinery and built-in furniture that hug the perimeter walls. By concealing utilities like the pantry, fridge, and media equipment within the architecture itself, the floor plan remains fluid and versatile. This simple technique allows the family to reclaim the center of the rooms, creating intimate pockets for dining and relaxation without the intrusion of bulky furniture. Ultimately, Corunna House is a reflection of the inhabitants it was built to serve. For the architects, The success of the project is measured by how naturally the family of 5 has occupied the space. It is a home that manages to be both a peaceful retreat for the parents and a functional playground for 3 sons. Through its beautifully resolved materiality and sensitive spatial planning, Corunna House stands as a testament to how heritage architecture can be successfully adapted to mirror the vibrancy of contemporary life.